Hi, this is a short video to show you what your customers have access to in Crik-IT. What your customers portal displays is highly customizable and can be configured by logging into your own Crik-IT portal and going to the Tools tab in Maintain Permissions. We have a video outlining this process. You can find it linked in the description box below. If you want your customers to use Crik-IT mainly for order entry, configure the Orders Entered in Portal page to be the customer's landing page once they log in. Allowing your customers to place orders directly takes the order entry burden off your staff and yourself. If you prefer your customers to land on a more informational page, configure the dashboard as the landing page. On the Orders Entered in Portal page, you will see a red button titled Enter New Order. Clicking on it will take you to an order entry page. You can also configure what is called a standard order for your customer users. What this does is include items that this customer purchases most often on a new order by default. This makes it very easy for your customers to place an order. You will also see a field called New Order on the home page, below which you will see Enter Order. Clicking on Enter Order will also take your customer to the order entry page. You will also see a field called Balance with a number below. This is the dollar amount your customer owes you. Clicking on the number takes your customer to the Invoices page, where they will see all their open invoices. Note that the customer staff won't be able to see the balance, invoices, or cost information when using the staff portal. You can configure Crik-IT to allow your customers to pay an invoice directly in Crik-IT. We have a couple of options for payment, so contact us for more information if you're interested in this feature. You can email us at support@crickit.com or book a video call with the link in the description box below. Another feature you can configure for your customers is the ability to track a shipment in Crik-IT. If you do so, your customers will see the carrier icon corresponding to their order and will be able to track their shipment by clicking on it. Go to the Items tab to see the items this customer can purchase from you and what the customer pays for each item. When you go back to the home page, you will also see a field called Library, below which is See Library. Clicking on See Library will take your customer to a page listing documents you have shared with them. Thank you for watching this short video to show you what your customers have access to in Crik-IT. Giving us a call will save you lots of time. Tell us what your business needs and we'll let you know if Crik-IT is the right fit for you.